Hey there! This time we're going to draw a simple eye of a tiger. Starting with a sketch, this makes things much easier. Drawing the upper lid in 3 sections, then the eyeball itself in a cut-off circle, the round pupil, the lower eyelid which is a bit wider at the inner eye corner, and the black area around the eye. Now let's paint. In what order you paint is of course up to you. At first some orange for the iris, inserting a small bright spot, and a curved shape for the shady area. Then black for the pupil. Next we leave a gap and paint around the eye with the brightest gray. Then the next shade of gray, carefully shaping the lighter gray. And finally the black for the eyelids, bringing it all together. White for some highlights in the eye and on the lower eyelid. And we have our tiger eye. Thank you a lot for watching and have fun drawing.